Arizona, Cumberland and Hoke. A strong thunderstorm will affect west central Cumberland and Hoke counties until 4:45 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Antioch, or near Red Springs, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. Deadly cloud-to-ground lightning will also be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Rayford, Fort Bragg, Antioch, Pope Air Force Base, Spring Lake, Silver City, Rockfish, and Bowmore. Seek shelter in a nearby building or vehicle. Wind gusts as high as 40 miles per hour are capable of knocking down tree limbs and blowing around light outdoor objects. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. Here are the 4 p.m. observations. The report from Lumberton was